Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to use base 10 blocks to model and add whole numbers. Base 10 blocks help us see how numbers are built and what happens when we combine them. By the end of this video, you should be able to represent numbers with base 10 blocks, combine the blocks to find the sum, regroup or trade blocks when necessary. So let's get started. So let's get started with a simple example, 34 plus 25. First, let's represent 34 with base 10 blocks. We have 3 tens, that's 3 rods of 10, and 4 ones, which is 4 small cubes. Now we want to represent the number 25. "25 has 2 rods of 10, and the 5 ones will have 5 small cubes. Now let's combine the blocks. If we look, in total we have 3 tens plus 2 tens, that gives us 5 tens, or 50. For the ones, we have 4 ones plus 5 ones, which gives us 9 ones in total. No regrouping is needed because we don't have 10 or more ones. So our total is 5 tens and 9 ones, which is 59. So 34 plus 25 is 59. So let's try a bigger example, 268 plus 147. So let's model 268 first. We have 2 hundreds blocks, six 10 rods, and 8 ones cubes. Now we're going to model 147. 147 has 1 hundreds block, 4 tens rods, and 7 ones cubes. Let's combine them to find the sum. We have 2 flats plus 1 flat, which equals 3 flats, or 3 hundreds. We have 6 rods plus 4 rods, that gives us 10 tens, 10 rods. And for ones, we have 8 blocks plus 7 blocks, which gives us 15 ones. But wait, look at those tens and ones. We have 10 or more in both the tens and the ones place, so we need to regroup them. So let's start with the ones place. We have 15 ones, so we have 1 10 and 5 ones. So we're going to trade 10 of those ones for 1 10 rod. Now add that extra 10 rod to your tens group. Now we're going to check in with the tens. We had 10 rods plus 1 more we just added, which makes we have 11 tens, or 11 rods. 11 tens equals 100 and 110. So we're going to take 10 of those rods, we're going to trade that in for a hundreds flat. Now we're going to move that hundreds flat over to the hundreds place. So let's count what's left. In the hundreds place, we have 3 plus 1 that we just added, so we have 4 hundreds. In tens, we have 1 rod left over, and in the ones, we have 5 ones left. So our total is 415. So 268 plus 147 is 415. When we use base 10 blocks to add, we want to first model each number with the hundreds, tens, and ones. Then we want to combine all of our blocks. Finally, we want to regroup if you have 10 or more in any of the place values. This model helps us see why regrouping works and keeps our place value organized. In the next lesson, we'll move from using blocks to drawing pictorial models, and then abstract addition using just numbers. So for now, we're going to keep practicing using base 10 blocks to build fluency and understanding. Thanks for watching, and remember, math makes more sense when you can see it.